Let me explain you Proc SQL. Proc SQL is like SQL within SAS. It becomes very handy for those people like who are coming with SQL background and wants to quickly get into SAS, because if you are using Proc SQL, within that you can usually just use the SQL commands with bare minimal modifications. So let me show it to you. So I will achieve some of those things which we have done earlier using SQL this time, and will show you how Proc SQL is doing. So if you think of, in this data student dot marks 3, I wanted to select name start and say, like name start and let's say gender, or say name probably, from this date name and let's say probably gender from this data set. So there are options like I could have created date, data A, set student marks 3, and within keep I could have put all these three things: name start, name, gender, and I could have produced the result. This time when I'm using Proc SQL, I can also do it like this: create table A, which is like asking that create a table A, create a data set A. How? As you select name start, name and gender from this data set. So it is asking SAS to create a data set A by selecting these three columns from this table, and it just works. Let me show it to you. So if you think of, it has worked, and it has just put the three columns: name start, name and gender, and it created the data set A. If you think of, it has created work.a means data set A. So it works, and this command, like what you are seeing here, is very standard. This command is like just SQL. Even this create table is nothing but SQL command. Even like univariate kind of thing, you can do very easily like using SQL command. So this time I'm using SQL here. I'm saying select gender, average height as AVG height, average weight as AVG weight, from student, group by gender, order by gender, and just see what it is doing. So this, when you run it, so it has given you for female and male average height, average weight. Now you actually could have got the same thing using univariate as well. I mean, think of what you are doing. For gender wise, you are trying to get univariate of the height, right? Height and weight. Only thing is that, when you did it like this that time, I mean, very much if you think of, right, you are getting these things what I got it here. You got the, like average height 63.1. If you think of the same thing you are getting in Proc SQL also, 63.1 for male, for a female, for male you got 62. But what you need to understand, like in some sense this helps you, because if you think of, this is much more, I think, summarized. It has given you information more as a table just in one place, so that it very quickly can see it. There you are just scrolling because it was producing too many things. So at times Proc SQL becomes very handy, especially if you want to get a lot of things in a tabular format. You can do it very quickly because you can just dictate SAS to do only the required things. Proc SQL helps you a lot to directly fetch the data from databases. This I'm not running it, but I'm just explaining you how does it operate. I have taken this from this blog. You should not run it. What it says, it is just, let me explain you the portion of the code. It says database equal to some database which you are looking. You are giving the server name, and then you are using a Proc SQL connect to this. You are giving database name, server name, port name, your user ID, your password. So this is nothing but it is just creating the connection with that SQL. Now you have created this connection. What you can do, you can simply go ahead and you can say create table work dot schema tables as select star from connections to source, and then select star from information schema tables where table schema equal to databases. So all those what is your part of database, it is going and selecting those schema here. It is also creating the data set like table work dot columns, select star from information schema, like that. So what I'm trying to say that, using proc SQL, you actually can connect to database. You will have to just ensure that connection exists. This connection either you can establish inside this proc SQL statement or above that, and after that, like the very much the way you are putting it here, you can actually do it like db.student, and it will directly go to the database and fetch the data. In industrial scenario, proc SQL is used to pull data a lot from databases, and then you do whatever you want to do using like SAS operations. So that's the use of that. Proc SQL can fetch data from Oracle, from MySQL, even from a variety of other data sources. It can fetch data directly.